Hey everybody, welcome back to Dreadfully Dainty Nails. Today we're going to take a look at the Azure Beauty Dip Powder and Nail Polish Kits.
If you like DIY nails, like, share, subscribe, click the bell. Then stick around, it's time for Dreadfully Dainty Tabs.
Alright, and we are back with Azure Beauty Dip Powder and Nail Polish Kits. I'm so excited. They sent these over for us to see what we think. So let's get into it. So in each kit, you're going to get your 3-step dip liquids, 2 dipping powders, 3 nail polishes, along with your nail dust brush, a cuticle tool, a dip powder tray, 2 extra brushes, and a nail file. So let's talk about these nail polishes. I think this is a really cool combination of including dip powder and nail polish, so you can either practice your nail art on top of your dip powder, or if you got the kiddos that want to get in on that nail action, y'all can have a cool little nail night together. So these polishes are regular nail polish. You do not need a lamp. These are air dry. Gorgeous, gorgeous polishes. Very opaque. The consistency is great, but like I said, they are fast drying, so you got to work quick. All right, so today I picked out, let's do like a little easy, simple Christmas mani with this cute little water slide, little reindeer water slide. So I picked the more brown and the cream dip powders. So we're going to lay the brown on the pinky and the thumb. We're going to put the cream on the 3 other fingers, and then I will show you what we're going to do with that water slide and the nail polishes, and I'll be back. So that's it for our first round of dip powder. Now it is time to dust everything off, get all that extra powder out from our cuticles, sidewalls, underneath the nails, everything. We don't need it. So then we will be on to our second round of dip powder. We're going to repeat the process, speed up the process, and then we'll be back for filing and buffing. Okay, so we are wrapping up our second layer of dip powder. Now it's time to dusty dust those nails, get all that off here, we don't need it. Then it'll be time to activate each finger after we get all that dust and debris out of there. Okay, activate each one, then we will move on to filing and buffing. So I have left the majority of the filing and buffing out. I am so turtly slow. I could be here all day filing these nails. I'm so nitpicky. So I just left in the thumb so y'all can kind of just see how I do it in my hand filing routine. But everybody will be different per your nail shape, how you like your apex, how you like your dip powder, and so on. So here's an example of how I like to do mine. I like to round off my nail, get those sidewalls sharpened up, your free edge sharpened up, and just kind of whip everything back in shape after that dip powder can get a little chunky on you. It's normal. Okay, so we're going to finish up filing and buffing, and then we will get into our nail polishes. Well, dagnabbit, my camera died, but here's how we're looking. We're back. We're all filed and buffed and shaped up. I did the water slide decal off camera because, well, we need to keep it going. I do have other water slide application videos if you'd like to go check those out. Okay, so we need to activate one more time just to make sure everything is set after we done filed and buffed. Make sure everything has bonded and done its little chemical thing. Next, it is time for our dip powder top coat. So we're going to go in on our pinky ring and our thumb, because our pointer finger in our middle is going to get the nail polish and it has its own top coat. So let's get in here. We're going to do this in 3 swipes or less because these are freshly activated nails. So sometimes if you let that, that dip liquid sit on there, it can harden your brush up a little bit. So we want to do this quickly as we can, quickly and neatly. And then we can always perfect it more when we get back in there on our final top coat on our second round. I apologize if y'all can hear Shorty in the background. She's in the house today, back there chewing on a bone, wiggling around. So if you hear any noise, that's her over there. I need to show her one day so y'all can see what she looks like. Now we wait for that dip top coat to change texture a little bit. It'll go from kind of like a glossy to like a kind of like a little textured wrinkle look, and then it's time to go back in there with our second round of our dip top liquids. This round can be a little bit more easy, more slow, more precise, and just get in there and top coat. And then we will move on to our nail polish. I'm excited for these. Okay, so now it's time for this gorgeous red nail polish. Y'all know I'm such a sucker for reds. They are my absolute favorite color. So these nail polishes, again, I want to remind you, are air dry nail polish. You do not need a lamp. These are air dry and they are fast. So that means we got to work fast. We got to work fast and neat. And don't let me get to line. It's been a hot minute since I've used an air dry nail polish, so I forget just how quick they are to dry, so y'all don't judge. It gets a little chunky here. But we're going to do 2 coats of each of these gorgeous nail polishes, and then we will be back to top coat these with their own nail polish top coat, and then we'll talk about it. Okay, so here's how we're looking after those are all dried down. Now it's time to top coat. And we're back. So what do we think, Dreadful Fam? Okay, so let's talk about it. So I love the combination of the dip powder and the nail polish. So you can either do all the things, you can just do dip powder, you can just do the nail polish, you can share with the kiddos and let them have a cool little nail night with you. Whatever your heart desires, I think it's great. I love their dip powders. They're nice, velvety, and buttery. The dip liquids have a strong smell, so if you maybe suffer from dip flu, you might want to try to find some other liquids, in my opinion. But other than that, their kits are always great. I love them. As always, I will leave everything in the description box down below, including the links to where you can get these on Amazon. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you're not already a Dreadful family member. We'd love to have you join. So until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye.